Hi, my name's Claire Owens and I work for North Ayrshire Council as one of the Waste Awareness Officers. Right now we're getting a lot of contamination in the blue bins. People are putting the wrong type of items in. So we're just doing this wee video so that people can get it right going forward. The type of contaminants that we're finding in the blue bin are a lot of soft plastics, your plastic bags, plastic foils and your plastic liners. We no longer recycle these in the blue bin and all these should go in your grey bin, or some people call it the black bin. We're also receiving a lot of textiles in our recycling bins, and it's just to make people aware that we don't recycle textiles at curbside. These should be recycled through any kind of clothing banks, charity shops or the household waste recycling centres. Your blue bin is actually only for paper and cardboard and card, so these are the types of things that you'll probably find in your blue bin. All your letters and envelopes that you receive for the postman, any kind of cardboard packaging you have through your food shopping, toilet rolls and different things. And obviously when you're putting stuff into your recycling bins, we don't take it in bags. Everything has to be clean and everything has to be loose. In April 2019, North Ayrshire Council made some changes to their bins and introduced a purple bin. The types of things that you'll find get in the purple bin now are all your plastic bottles, plastic tubs and trays, all your metal trays, metal cans and aerosols, and all types of glass. These now go in loose and clean into the purple bin. Please remember to keep this type of material out of your blue bin.